Alright y'all, let's get this video done. So I'm gonna be using these different products from Shopmissa, y'all. This is basically me trying all the Shopmissa products that are involving nails. So first I got this buffer, and then I got this nail brush, and then I got these 2 nail cuticle oils for my nails, and I'm gonna put those to the side. Then I got this soak off nail kit, cotton rounds. So let's just go ahead and start. So I'm gonna just go ahead and clip my nails, just get those in order, and yeah. So if you're not already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for more videos with me. I'm doing a voiceover because, you know, I just felt like it. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all, and just continue to watch. Alright, so now I'm doing the filing of my nails, making sure they're filed down, and I'm just going to be doing that. Okay, so now those are filed. Now let's just buff using this buffer. I actually really did like this buffer when I was using it. It has different sides to the buffer, so it was definitely able to get my nails very clean and ready to apply the nails. Y'all know I love nails, so I was super excited when Shopmissa launched nail products and all types of stuff. So I was super excited to just do this video for y'all. So that's what I came up with. So I'm just buffing. So now I'm just going to be dusting it off with that brush. I like that brush. It's very simplistic, you know, just takes away all the stuff that is left during the nails when I buff them. And now you already know I take these adhesives tabs that I got from Amazon. All of the nail products are always in my description box, just so y'all want to check them out and purchase them. So yeah, I'll leave that in the description box. So I'm just gonna put that all on my nails, my right hand and my left hand, just to make it easier when I apply the nails. These are really good. So I definitely love using them instead of actual glue, because I love using nails to the point where if I do glue it, it's gonna mess up my nails in some ways, so I just forget it and just do that. Y'all already know I love my nails from Claw Collectives. She is literally my nail tech. Shout out to Claw Collectives. She is usually in most of all my nail videos, honestly, and her information is also in the description box if y'all want to go ahead and check her out, because she is bomb. Okay, you will not be disappointed. I have a whole bunch of pictures and videos of all her nails. I always incorporate that in my videos. So yeah, I love her so much. Shout out to you, Claw Collective. She has so many patterns, y'all, so you will not be disappointed if you purchase from her. So I'm just gonna put that all on my nails, and yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm just putting the rest of the press-on nails on my nails. Y'all, these products were actually not that bad. They were pretty good. A 10 out of 10. There's nothing bad about the buffer, nothing bad about the brushes, nothing bad about the clippers, the nail file. It was all good. So yeah, I'm just finishing up, y'all. Super duper happy. Everything turned out well. But these is what the nails look like, y'all. Ugh, they're so pretty. I can't deal. Okay, now I'm just pressing the nails down just to make sure they're secure. And then I'm going to be putting my cuticle oil as well on top. But the nails look so pretty, so healthy, so cute. I love her nails so much. This cuticle nail oil comes in many different flavors: strawberry, apple, peach, lemon. So I would definitely link that down below. But this is what the nails look like, y'all, once I'm done. Super pretty, very healthy, very clean. They look very, very nice. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. Thank y'all for even enjoying my videos, even subscribing. You guys are my family. I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.